Hello and welcome. My name is Nilaus. This is episode 73 of our rebooted marathon automation. So I'm continuing to work on this base and trying to sort of get it back in shape because there's a lot of things that have been started and there are some things that I need to change. So one of the big things, well, the first thing that we looked at last time was basically getting rid of the LTN. No, sorry, not the LTN, but of AI. You want to get our FPS UPS up, and I can't get that up without getting rid of AI. I'm going to continue to work on that. The other thing that is hogging our UPS is things such as this here. This massive array of belts. It looks awesome, and it's really fun to play with and build, and it's beautiful, but it's not very good, unfortunately. So yeah, this is in big scale, but I can't do the same thing in terms of, well, also this one, this is actually quite bad as well. So I'm going to start working on electronics because I need the electronics. So I'm also kind of doing something else. Well, last time I looked at the crawler and I'm actually not that keen on the crawler. I think it's great, but it does have some flaws. I noticed if we look down here, it has a tendency just to leave bots hanging somewhere. I don't know, and I can't even pick them up because they're kind of over buildings. That's really annoying. So I can't really, do much about it. I don't know why, it seems like a bug, but that's just the way it is. Now, I am going to work, I've upgraded the mods. That means I'm getting all sorts of weird things here. I've also added one mod because I want to get better movement, and that's aircraft. So I'd like to build this one. In order to build this one, can I build it? Yes, I'll build this one actually because I really want to go on. Okay, hold on. What does it actually cost? That's all right. That's electronic circuit boards. We are at that level, yes. Let's look at our science. Is it going? Oh, the blue science is not going. Why is the blue science not working? Oh, come on, blue science. Oh, right, that's... Look, they have a toast, engines, batteries, and toast. Right, it's the electronic boards. Well, that's going to be a problem because the plastic is just not able to keep up. I can go down here. I've been having sort of monitoring a bit. Yeah, see here. It's the plastic that just won't keep up. Down here we also have something. What is that actually? I need to figure out what that is. That is okay. Copper is not a problem. Let's just start doing some of our cute tricks here. Copper, and I'm using Factorio reach, so I can reach everywhere on the map. Without it, yep, it's cheating. Don't care. This is it's just ridiculous amount of traveling back and forth to get there. And see this, I know it's plastic, but if we go up to the plastic part, the plastic location, this one, it's just so damn slow. Oh, it's actually really damn slow because the wood is not generating enough. Wow, that's interesting. I mean, stuff like this one, why is that? I mean, they're all working, yeah, but they're not keeping up. It's like there's been a drought or something. Okay, yeah, they're back in action and they're going in here and all of this. Yeah, that's pretty bad actually. There. Let's keep it up. Because if I go up here and look at the amount of plastic I have, it's nothing. Oops. But it's the most important thing I can use plastic for at this moment. I use plastic for batteries, but that's such a waste to put it in batteries. I need to put it in here. And that's also a nice little bug that you can utilize. If you have an item in hand, an item that cannot be placed, you can open up any entity, even filter inserters, even fast loaders, anything, even sort of wire conditions. It's brilliant. So you can do most things from the distance. Wow, why can I not? Oh yeah. Sorry. That was because I not wanted, but needed to get up here and say, what are you doing? See, again, I can Yes. So here is where I put in all but one. That'll give me just a tiny bit. Not much, it's about 1,000 or something. How much do I need? I need 1,400. Oh, it says different stats here. Anyway, that's all producing at a quite stupendous rate. Now, what I want to do, I have been building roboports. And I want to build this network or this district as a roboport area because I need to switch to robots. And some may say, oh no, that's not fun. You want to see belts. Yeah, I want to see belts as well, but I don't have an option. That simple. I must get this up and running, otherwise it's not going to work. Unfortunately, this doesn't align with my networks, but don't really see the big issue. If I did align it to the network, it would look like this. Which might not in itself be that bad. Also, I have to remember that it has to reach all the way over here as well. So actually, if we just look at it, this might not be all that bad. And I can set that here. This one, unfortunately, kind of needs some more. Yeah, you know what? Unfortunately, I can't, so I have to put it every location, which is way too much. Yeah, and I don't have roboports at a higher mark value yet. So one of the things there, you'll be placed here. Come on, I know you can do it. You can do it. Why is that exactly not working? Well, anyway, we are gonna change this. All right, so you get this one. I am just incredibly slow. I've been playing with a bit better mods. Let's see, can I put these in here? Yes, I can. So now I actually have robots. Awesome. And that one I can pick up again. Well, next up is actually, I also need roboports up here because then I actually intend to change these to just being requester chests. Yes, I do. Boom. They're actually not connected. Not connected. That needs to be fixed. There. Anyway, that's definitely gonna be fine. But now let's do that. Okay, so now we have a network of roboport network, my very first roboport network. Here, let's start abusing it. Using it, abusing it. That means these ones have to be changed to the passive providers. I really need them to be passive providers actually. And let's start being honest about this. We are going to use these way more than we have so far. So let's put them down here. The roboports and the requesters, they're also going to get a fixed slot. I can actually replace them, but not when there's stuff in them. Nice. So, what are we requesting at this location? Nothing. What do we want to request? I want to start working towards this level. The problem with this one is the ferric chloride solution. We're going to have to figure out, can't even recall how it's done. Ferric chloride, it's iron ore and hydrogen chloride gas. That's not so bad. Iron ore, it's a bit annoying because I don't have that in abundance. But you know, if we can just get things in here and they are not actually going out like this. This one will be the first one to test. And I will not use 10,000, I'll use 5,000, yeah? So this one should request, what is this one requesting? Why do we have so many things here? Okay, so this one is where I edit what I want. What do I want? I want, let's see, I want 10,000 of these. I can't recall if I have to write it plus or minus. No, I have to write it minus. to Montoyo. Yes, that you're not going to be called Montoyo. You're going to be called, what are you going to be called? You're going to be called Electronics. And we're actually just going to be called Electronics 1. D. What number was it? 3. Here. D3. Inbound. In. What else? I do have wood, don't I? Oh, yes, I do. So that's let's build more of these. 1, 2. I need to replace this. To replace all of them actually, because all of, where are you? There. Great. I actually need 2 more. What am I then missing? Steel. Well, steel. I'll just grab some steel. I'll grab it from the belt here. Ah. That is easy when it has 2 things. And you can see the steel icon has changed. Thank you very much, Angel. I do very much appreciate that. And actually I have way too many of these. What to do, what to do. Let's put them in here. 700. I carried them up because, well, I don't know why. And these 2 as well. Boom, boom. Anything else being delivered? No, nothing else is being delivered. But we need... That's electronic. Oh, that's where it really hurts. These guys. Ouch. Because they are plastic constrained. And anything that's plastic constrained has a tendency to stop. Right, things are working. I'll grab what I have. 200. Excellent. 4. Right. Oh, yeah, here I am. And that means I actually have to remove all of this because now it will be robots doing the work. Oh, crap. Yeah, about that. Oh, I can't even run on red belts anymore. Wow. Right, things on the ground are also bad for UPS. I really have to be doing everything I can in this base to be as UPS efficient as I can. And that means there, right? And take these out. Loaders. I love loaders, but I just don't see the way that I can continue using loaders. I'll be using the Mark II robots, logistics robots from Angel, and they will be awesome. They are awesome, of course. That one is, that sound from LTN is the same sound as inventory full, and that's not a good idea. That's not good design. This one, it's annoying that oh, that one is just junk. That one, I have to take a blueprint of something. Yes, then I can throw it away. That's a bit strange. You should listen to Catherine Sky's song about how... Why? Okay, come on, nanobots, do stuff. There, perfect. This is one network. This is now provided to the network. Yes, excellent. Why do I have 6 of these? Very strange. Actually, really strange. Why do I have 6? Huh? That's really peculiar. That one is not ups. Okay, well, let's logistics requests. I don't know. Am I getting them? It does say that you are a part of the network, doesn't it? And 1 AI and 1... Oh, that's because it's in my inventory, my junk slots. Damn. Alright. Now let's start working on the actual design I want to build, because I have an idea about how to build these things. And I think that the right way is, let's see. Let's get some big active and some... No. Big passive, big requesters. I have an idea. because I want to use these small ones. Like this. Anywhere I can, I want to use these small ones. And then... Come on. Do I have them here? These requested chests? Yeah, that's just something about it that says that's gonna work, right? Because that means I can have forwarded inputs to the same one. I like it. And then once I get to the other one, that's the big chest, and then I get the big requested chest in a second. Are you? There you are. That could be something like this, right? Wouldn't this be awesome? Except, I mean, of course, that at the end of the line, you'd have to get more. So let's see. If I wanted to build something like this is what I need to build. So I have the basic electronic circuit. I'll fix that later. Let's get the basic, that means I first need 10 copper wire, which means 10. Fine. I'll get 10 and let's look at 10 copper wire. 10 copper wire requires tin and copper plate. Okay, so for example here, I'll request copper. Not entirely sure that this is gonna work, but let's try. 2000 copper. Is anything inbound? Yeah, 2000 is inbound. Nice. Okay, so I can from the outside now. I'm not actually quite sure about this way. I like it, but I'm not sure it's the right thing. So this one will be bigger ones will be the one in the middle. So this guy will be yeah, so I think this is easier to understand for me. The ones that are outputting are next to this one. The ones that are inputting are next to this one. They're not. Yeah. Like this, right? So that's like a unit. This one will be making copper wires. Let's try it. Balance for size. And how do we even do this most efficiently? I still think the right way is this. Look, it works. And this one just gets an override. You know what? You know what? I can actually copy paste these to these. Connect to logistic network only when you have less than. It's going to be 5,000 for everything. Copy, paste. See? Actually works. What about you? Oops. This whole thing with how that works is there, there, there. Been easier just to copy paste it and fix the direction. Copy, paste. Okay. Now they're working. Cool. And then I can basically just do more of these, right? I like it. I like it. And so I have 4 of each. I'd say 2 inputs. Outputs, 2 inputs, 2 outputs. This one copies there. Copies there. And the other ones will get to that. That also needs... Okay, first I need to figure out what the next thing to build is. That's probably going to be the tin copper wire. Yeah, so there, from there into this, I'll say, no. That's not how I want it. I want it 2,000 in each. The reason why I want 2,000 is because they are good at transporting a lot. So I want to make sure that they actually transport large quantities. I like it. I like this way of doing it. And then this one will begin. Just simply change it to copper wires. Paste, paste. Copy, paste. And tin copper wire. And then paste, paste. Now we have tin copper wire. This is very nice. I am going to make a raw one. All right. That will be my template. These will just be, can I just, oh yeah, I can. So this will be my template and I need to save it like this. I don't know what to call it. Doesn't matter what I call it. It's going to be broken next time I'm getting out of the game. Only if that's going to be electronics. Anything that can be built like this. Did I even get it? There. Save it, but I also want to save it here. This blueprint something... Oh, that's a blueprint book that doesn't have anything in it. Well, you're now going to be my blueprint for stuff I need in the game. New blueprint. Be my temporary one. So this is my template. Well, things are moving fast. Things are moving well. Let's figure out what the next thing is we want. I might as well build these kind of things as well. Insulated solder. I mean, there's so many things. You can do that. Do that now. Fine. Copy, paste. 2000. And 2000. And that means I need to go up here and request carbon into this location. Should be easy. Here, 10,000. 10,000 carbon. Where's carbon hiding? Minus 10. 1, 2, 3. There. No station supplying carbon found. How are we doing on robots? There are only 5 active. Yeah, so I'm gonna find a way to get carbon into the network. Let's see. Ah, that's interesting that they're actually doing stuff here. So what is that? 2.1, 2.1? How much is in each? How much do you want? 5,011. So this one still needs to be... Where is it? There. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. So all of this is good. I just need carbon. So how do we get carbon? Let's just see if there's an easy way to get carbon. Carbon. That's coke and carbon dioxide. So I can't do that without having it as coal as well. So I need to put on the list, I need a place for carbon before I can proceed. Let's put the blueprint down anyway. Another one. This is not strictly necessary. This will be as needed. There. 10,000 iron plates. What could be the next one we want to make? And you know what? Wooden phenolic boards? Wooden boards? You know what? I want to make wooden boards. That doesn't work. You know what? I said 2,000, so it's gotta be 2,000. I wonder what they stack to. And this one will be again wooden boards. Copy paste here. Board copy paste, and then this is now where we get into the issue of, well, there are some things that I cannot build easily, like this. So I need to build it somewhere else. I'll just build it, you know, here maybe. I'm seeing already that I can make 2 rows like this. It's going to be really dense, really nice and dense there. Very nice. And like that. That's going to be 1 more line. Then I'm going to see how it works for the bigger ones. Let's see, I actually already need 5 more and 5 more. Did I use the last of them? Yes, I did. Then I am going to remove you. Thank you. Go away. them. So I at least have control of how this is gonna look. And let's see. I actually still want to place it. I think I want to place it like this. Yeah, it's gonna be exactly the same. It is, except that I can't put them on the outside, so I have to put them in here. It doesn't make much of a difference. And this will then be the boards, the wooden boards. Wooden boards. Exactly the same. Oh. Oh, I didn't do that. And that's not working. Yeah, that's not working. Copy, paste, paste. Copy, paste, paste. Ah, that needs to go into my blueprint as well. Copy, paste, copy, paste. I think I'll skip the outer one. There. That's now part of the blueprint. Yes, it is. Cool. Got it. This one. Well, you're unpowered, but that's like the least of our concern. There, you're no longer. That's annoying. That's a stupid feature of my setup. Yep, got it. You are going to be built out of nowhere. I actually really want it exactly where it is. Yep. That's silly, but okay. Copy, paste, that needs wood. I need 2000 wood. And limits to... Where's the wooden board? There, where are the wooden boards? Copy, paste. Look at that. Now we have wooden boards that can go over to here to become those. I might need to build some carbon. But this is... Now you can see, this is gonna be fast until I hit the ferrochloride acid. So, thank you very much for joining. You can see we are working towards a more industrialized setup, and I can always just put them in here, put beacons, all that good stuff later on. So, thank you for joining, and I'll see you next time. Bye.